here's Dogzi walking in the rain. I think the only reason that she's going to do this is because rain's pretty much almost done. Basically. Come on, sweetie. But see, there's nice puddles for her to play in. See, this is why I don't like the rain. I like the rain. I like it because I like to play in it. But yeah. And Dogzi over here is like the weirdest dog ever. She's Miss. I don't like to go outside when it rains, but after it rains, I would like to play in the puddles and get all muddy. Yeah, that's pretty much her. And if you kind of can see, and I know I should see that this is my phone that I'm video recording almost every single YouTube video that I'm doing for all 3 channels. I should at least, I don't know, put some type of cover on it, like plastic bag or something, a Ziploc baggie. That's what I did with a little camcorder that I gave my niece, Jen Lowe. But no, I didn't feel like it. Whoops. Then again, it's hardly rain. Follow Dogzi. And then she goes off. But yeah, look, see? That's what's here right now. That right there. That big, ugly, gray cloud. All thanks to the coastal parts of Texas, I guess. There's just only one part of Texas that's coastal. All thanks to where Corpus Christi is and Galveston Bay area. They're having a hurricane, I think it is. So yeah. So yes, I might not like what I'm getting over here in the northern part of Texas. But I do wish, because I do have family down there, I do wish everybody to have a safe trip if they're going down there. Or just be safe. Because I heard it's going to be like a hurricane or some type of tropical storm. And that's pretty much what we're getting over here. It's pretty much what's like leftovers or... Dogzi, what you doing? Leftovers or something like that. I call it the leftovers of a storm. Of a storm that big. Look, see, it's still raining. See that puddle? That's the puddle that Dogzi likes playing. There's that puddle, and then there's a puddle over there that gets really, really huge. And she likes to play in them. Like always. And then there's one across the street that usually gets big, but not really. But yeah, Miss Thing over here likes to play in the puddles. She just loves it. I don't know why. She just does. But yeah, it's Thursday, August the 24th, and it's raining. Just great. Greatness. Everybody loves the rain. I mean, this thing right here loves the rain. Don't you, pup? Say, yes, I do. I love the rain so much. Not. But yeah, it's raining. It's totally raining now, and I'm getting wet. Well, I guess this is so long goodbye for everybody right now. Oh, sweetie, there's a car coming. Cars that don't know where they're going. But yeah. I'm going to sign off now. There's a Chevy. There's a Chevy Equinox. Man, I want a Chevy Equinox. Off topic. That's another matter to discuss, I guess, tomorrow. Also, I think if it's not going to happen this weekend, because I don't know when Jen Lowe is supposed to be coming back, maybe this coming weekend or next weekend. Either way, we're going to have a, we're going to have a Amazon package reveal featuring Jen Lowe. Jen Lowe, I bought her a phone case for her phone because she's pretty much like me, or I'm pretty much like her. I have no idea. She tends to drop her phone. I, on the other hand, don't really drop my phone. Dogzi, what are you doing? I don't really drop my phone that much, but I bought cases for my Samsung on 5. So what happened to my earlier phones, there's birds playing in the bridge, nice. What happened to my first phone that I bought when I started working, it had water damage, and I think it was kind of my fault. I don't know how I did it, but I water damaged my phone, and I was really careful. I mean, up to since I started a job, I only got track phones. My mom can only provide track phones for me. And then when I started my job, to start my YouTube channel jobs. Dogzi, what are you doing in the street, sweetie? We don't play in the street. And we're surely ain't gonna go over there. And there's an ambulance. I hear those all the time. But anyway, so yeah, I got a Samsung Galaxy on 5 for my first phone, and then it produced a water damage, and then I had to go get a new phone. Well, because I'm really impatient, I didn't wait till the following week where I could actually get an upgrade for low cost, I think, and well, I wanted then there, and bought me another version of Samsung Galaxy on 5, or I think it's just a Samsung on 5. I just call it Galaxy because I just wanted a Galaxy. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah. So there's that. So I did buy her a phone case for her phone. Now I think I know what kind of color I brought her, gave her, or something for her thing. But I just want